Today, we will learn how to prepare an image for laser engraving using CorelDraw 2026. First, open your AI generator Docker in CorelDraw 2026. If it's not open, click Windows and select Docker. Then click AI Generate. Once the Docker opens, select your image. In the AI Generator Docker, click Image Remix. Next, click Add from Document to add your image. After the image is added, type your prompt in the box below. You can give any prompt freely, be creative. Select an AI model from the list. Click Generate. In a few moments, your image will be ready for laser engraving. You can try a different AI model for a new result. Some results may be sharper but less realistic. Use whichever result you like best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CorelDraw 2026 tutorials.